Hello friends, it's Sherry from Turquoise Dreaming. How you doing today? I'm having a great day. It's Sunday and I'm here to do a VR. I just posted one for someone else, another YouTube channel, so I'm going to do one more today, and that's all I know about right now, but I figured I'd get them both done. But this one is for my friend Tammy at My World in OKC. And she has a super channel, YouTube channel, that's Tammy, and she has a Facebook group, and she's just so nice and awesome, and I love watching her videos and participating in her events and just sharing on her Facebook group, and it's called this right here if you want to look for her. And I'm going to link her YouTube, and I'll link her Facebook group too below this video, My World in OKC. So what's happening? The reason I'm doing a video response, and if you don't know what that is, I said it in my last video, but just in case, she's having a giveaway. So what you do, some people when they do a giveaway, they ask you to do a little, what's called a video response, and you're just kind of telling them about their giveaway. And that's what mine have been all about, giveaways. So what is happening over on Tammy's channel and Facebook group is she's having a giveaway for, it looks really awesome, she's having a giveaway for this big, you know, those big priority mail boxes. She's giving away a surprise, it's like surprise or mystery Dollar Tree items. But she's got one of those big boxes, and you know, I mean, that could be a lot of stuff in there. So anyway, it looks pretty cool to me. It looks really cool. I would love to win it. So all you have to do is to enter is be a subscriber and on her channel. And then she says US only this time. One entry for saying enter me under, you know, in the comments under her giveaway video. And you get 2 extra entries for a VR. That's what I'm doing now. So I'm going to get 2 extra entries for doing this VR. Total of 3 is what you can get. Total of 3 entries. So, and when you do your VR, she says in her video, I'm going to link it under here, like I said, but listen to her video in case I missed anything. But she says, you know, make sure you share the link from your, if you do a VR, share the link with her so she knows you did it, so you get your points. So anyway, just, you know, when you see the video or the link under my video, you can just, I'm going to link it right to her video, not just her channel, but right to her giveaway video. So if you click on that link, you should go right to her giveaway video. And then I also link her Facebook group. You know how Facebook groups work. You have to usually, if you wanted to join, you would have to click the little join button and then answer all the questions. And make sure, I noticed when people sometimes join, because I'm a moderator on a Facebook group where I can approve, you know, people that are asking to join. I think sometimes that you miss, after the second question, there's maybe a third or fourth question. So when you're joining, this is just a little tip that I've noticed in case you've never joined a Facebook group before. You know, start answering the questions and then scroll down and make sure you got all of the questions, because I'll get requests to join that group where I'm a moderator, and the third one is not answered. And I think it's usually because you don't see it until you scroll down a little bit when you're joining. So just a little tip, just in case, you know. But anyway, and then they'll, you know, look at your questions. And I don't know how they do it, but the one I'm on, we look at the questions, make sure they're answered, make sure it's not, you know, a robot or something, and then you just approved or whatever. So anyway, this is really going to be a really cool giveaway. So if you want to join, I made this little sign for Tammy's giveaway. I make a little sign for all my VRs. That's what I've been doing, and it's really fun because now I'm going to save this. I'm going to put it in my friend book that I started working on, and I did the first video on that, which I will be posting soon. I did start it over on Maria's channel, where I started working on mine. She was working on her second friendship book or Happy Meal, whatever you want to call it, book, journal type of thing. And so, anyway, I'm on Maria's channel with her working on my friend book, and I'm going to have a video on my channel working on my friend book as soon as I post it and get around to doing that. But yeah, just check out this, Tammy's channel. It's a lot of fun, and her Facebook group is too. I participated in, like the last event. I was in August, I think, and it was so much fun. I really, really enjoyed it. It was a really neat idea there on her channel. So anyway, it was crafty type thing, so it was a lot of fun for me. And it was fun seeing everybody else's things that they created. So I'll let you go, but yeah, just don't forget to just do it right away so you don't forget to go over and enter her contest. And I'll see you all next time. Thanks for watching today, and happy crafting.